Hi guys, this evening I'm having a little walk along the canal. I came for a few days in West County Cork to explore the area. I've never actually been before in West County Cork, and I'm booked in one of the villages here in School Harbour, and it's a gorgeous little village, and I'm just having a walk. And I'm going to celebrate the fact that I've received my book back from Eamon, from my editor. Those of you who followed me for a while, you already know that I've worked for longer than 10 years to write this spy thriller. And what's exciting is that actually it's inspired by my own life, which is why it took me a long time to finalize it. I mean, I've wrote this book a million times, but it was never actually, it never felt complete because I wasn't healed. I wasn't actually complete myself. I wasn't whole because I endured childhood sexual abuse, and basically by writing this novel, it's a spy thriller, so by writing this novel, it was actually one of the ways I have coped over the last few years with my healing. Writing this book was part of my healing journey. It was actually it played a huge impact on my healing journey. And yay, finally I have the book back from Eamon. I have the final ever version, and I'm so excited. I'm so thrilled to have read my own novel. It's just, I'm overwhelmed with emotions, with gratitude at the same time. Oh my goodness, it's been a long journey. And as soon as I received my novel from Eamon, I have sent my book to a very successful author who is also a survivor of childhood sexual abuse, and this author is going to give me a foreword. So hence my excitement this evening, and I have all the reasons in the world to celebrate not just my healing, but also that I have the final version of my novel, and also that this successful author is more than willing to actually give me a foreword for my novel. But she actually enjoys my novel, and I'm just overwhelmed. Oh my god, I can't describe in words how much that means to me. Oh my goodness, the view is amazing. Oh my god. This week I was so overwhelmed with gratitude, and I cannot describe in words how overwhelmed I was, how happy that actually this amazing author, she's not only willing to read, to review and give me a foreword for my novel, my debut novel, but also she actually enjoys my book. I can't wait to share this foreword with you. I can't wait to share all this with you, but I'm so excited to tell you that finally it's not gonna be long now before you actually put your hands on this amazing novel. And yes, I have the confidence after longer than 10 years to say that it is an amazing piece of work, because I know how much work have been put into this novel for longer than 10 years now. And only with my editor, with my latest editor, who is the 5th editor actually that has worked with me on this novel, with Eamon, I have worked on my novel since 2023. Yes, I have collaborated with him on finalizing my novel since more than 2 years ago. So you can imagine the excitement of actually having it ready after such a long time. Oh my God, I mean, I have no words. Eamon has challenged me and pushed me quite a lot. See, the view, it's lovely. It's a lovely evening. He pushed me so much and challenged me so much over these past 2 years. And while I was terrified at first, because I was like, oh my God, I have to change this again. I mean, I was in a space where I was like, I could not see the faults anymore in my novel after working on it already for 8 years. And when he reviewed my book and he told me, this will not work, I was like, okay, I can't tell you actually what is it. I can't give any spoilers yet, but after the book is published, I can tell you everything, what I changed in my book, because a very important aspect of my novel actually just didn't work out. And I was terrified that I won't be able to change my novel, but of course I did. But also, he encouraged me a lot. He gave me the confidence that actually, as a writer, I will be able to make the novel work. And it works. The plot works, because I had some holes like in my plot. I had some plot issues / concerns, and now the plot works amazing. But yes, even though he pushed me, and thanks to him actually, my gratitude goes to him. So even though he pushed me, he actually believed in me. And that's what actually makes a really, really good editor stands out. And I can say with huge confidence that he's an amazing editor. I can put below in the comments his link. And he believed in me. And previously, the editors couldn't care more or less if my novel was going to work, if I still had plot issues or not, because they didn't point out to me the issues that he recognized as an editor. And yes, he believed in me, and he helped me actually have faith in myself as a writer, that I can actually sort those plot issues out. And thanks to him, I did. And now, after more than 10 years, I can hold in my hands my novel and share it with you all. It won't be long now, I promise, because I'm so excited. This time I know it's ready, because I have healed from childhood sexual abuse, and that healing reflects in my writing. And before it wasn't, because I was not healed. I was still that traumatized child, teen, adult person. Like, even as an adult, I was still very much traumatized after what happened to me growing up. But now, my healing reflects my writing. So, I'm so excited to actually finally share the good news with you that the book, it's almost out, almost. I'm going to wait for this amazing writer to finalize the foreword, and once I have that, I'm going to send my book for formatting, cover design. Like, there is still a lot of work involved. There is still a lot of work that needs to go before actually the book is out. But oh my god, the wait will be worth it, I promise. And now let me share the view. So as I was saying, I think earlier at the beginning of the video, I came in West County Cork for a few days just to actually celebrate myself, to celebrate my healing journey, and to celebrate the fact that even though agents, publishers, editors said no to me, said no to my novel, I stuck with it. I never gave up. And after longer than 10 years, I have an outstanding spy thriller novel inspired by my own life to actually share with you. And I'm super excited. And now let me just share the view with you, and I'm gonna let you go. Look at the view. Oh my god, it's just gorgeous. It's an absolutely amazing, sunny, gorgeous evening here in County Cork. Look at this, it's lovely. So yeah, I actually look forward for you to read my novel, and I'm sure there will be something in my novel that will resonate with you. No matter, really no matter at what stage in your life you are at, you'll find something that will inspire you in your own life after you finish reading my novel. And when you do that, even though it's not even out yet, but even though it's not out yet, I'm going to tell you, please, 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 leave a review, because it's going to be on Amazon, it's going to be on so many platforms, and just leave a review, because my story can actually help, and I hope it will help others, survivors, to become warriors and heal from domestic abuse and from childhood sexual abuse. See you guys, thank you for watching, bye.